If you simply follow these 5 things I'm going to share with you, nothing in this world can stop you from speaking English. That's my guarantee. Today, let's directly talk about how you can really improve your English, the real ways that actually work. You have watched thousands of videos on YouTube. Everyone tells you their own method. Do this to improve your English, do that to improve your English. But today, what I'm going to share with you, no one has ever told you before. If you truly want to learn this method, the things which I'm going to share with you, you must watch this video till the very end. There will be no useless talk, no unrelated information, only the things that matter to you and your English journey. And yes guys, after watching this video, you also need to watch my upcoming videos because it's not possible to explain everything in just one part. So I decided I'll make 2 parts of this video, and I don't want to stretch the video without any purpose. So let's begin. Hey everyone, I'm Shalima, your English coach. Welcome back to my another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. So before we begin, quickly hit the like button and hype up this video guys. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it with someone who truly wants to improve their English. Your one small action gives this channel big energy and helps me create more powerful lessons for you. I'm only going to tell you how to improve your English, what exactly you need to do. And in the next video, I will explain when and how to apply these things and how much time you should give to each part. So let's start. First of all, let's talk about a very first point which is really important that nobody talks about. The first point is know yourself. Know yourself simply means first understand your own level of English. Like how much English can you understand? How much can you speak when you are alone? And how much can you speak when you actually talk to people? Some learners have everything in their mind. They know what they want to say, but they cannot express it in words. Some can speak basic English. Some use a few basic words throughout the day. Some are intermediate level and some might even be advanced. But even then, they don't know how much they can actually speak or where their weaknesses are. Because most of the comments I receive, I get fall into 2 categories, guys. Yes, I have divided into 2 categories. The first category of the comment is, "Ma'am, why are you teaching English in English?" And the second category people are commenting on my comment box. They're saying, "Ma'am, I understand English, but I cannot speak it." Now, think about this. Some people cannot even understand what the speaker in front of them is saying. So what do? They don't know what to improve. So they keep searching on YouTube, hoping to find one magical video that will suddenly make them fluent. And then there are people who can understand English but cannot speak confidently. That is why instead of getting confused and jumping from one video to another video, you must first understand your current status. Which level are you? How much English do you understand? And which areas do you need to improve? Now, the good news, our second point is directly, connected to this. So don't worry about how to find your level. I'm going to explain everything today in this part. Before that, quickly comment below and tell me guys, what is your level if you know it? How much English do you use in your daily life? Only words or full sentences? Because some are uses only the words and some are uses full sentences. And yes, like the video right now. Now let's move to point number 2. The point number 2 is grab the material. Guys, grab the material does not mean you need to buy many books, spend hours on writing and reading. No. Grab the material means whenever you find a useful phrase, a new vocabulary word, or a ready-made sentence, immediately save it in your mind. Think of your mind like a computer. Your brain is no less power than an AI or a computer. Just like we create different folders on a computer, like vocabulary folder, document folder, audio folder, to retrieve information easily. You also need to imagine creating new folders in your mind. New vocabulary folder, alright? New phrases folder, right? Ready-made sentences folder, speaking patterns folder. So whenever you watch something, a Netflix show or a YouTube video or an Instagram reel, and the creator says something interesting, catch it immediately and store it in your mental folder. Yes, you watch a lot of content every day, right? So whatever you find useful, apply it to yourself. If you like someone's speaking style, take it. If you understand someone's body language, take it. If you notice how they stress a word, how their pitch goes high or low, observe it closely. Basically, watch content in English and observe every single detail. Take whatever helps you. Grab as much material as you can from everywhere. And yes, some people don't have a very sharp memory. No problem. You just write everything in your phone's notepad. Save the phrases, save the example lines, save the vocabulary. And after doing all these things, the next question is how to apply this material. For that, you will have to watch part 2 of this video, because I will cover everything like study plan of each point. Okay, I'll tell you when you have to use these. Now let's move to point 3. Point 3 is know the modal verbs. So if you truly want to speak English with confidence, then you must understand modal verbs, because they are used in almost every sentence we speak in daily life. Because modal verbs are simply tells us what we can do, what we should do, what we must do, what we might do, what we want to request politely. But let me share you one thing. The best part is of the modal verbs. Modal verbs are very easy, and once you understand them, your speaking instantly becomes clear, smarter and more fluent. So here are the main modal verbs you should know. Alright, you can just know about can. Can is always used for ability. For example, I can speak English. Okay, the second modal that you just learn is could. Could is used for polite request or past abilities. For example, could you help me? And the third modal verb is should. Should is always used for advice. For example, you should practice daily. And the fourth one is must. That is strong necessity. You must avoid translations in Hindi, right? While you are speaking in English. The last one, may and might. May is used for permission and possibilities. Might is for small possibilities. And if you want, you can learn with will. Okay, will is for future. Alright, that you know it very well. And if I talk about would is a polite request, imaginary situations. For example, would you like some help? So when you learn modal verbs, you automatically start forming correct and natural English sentences. Because look, most English learners get stuck because they don't know which helping verbs to use. Should I use can? Should I say will? Should I say should? Right? Once your modal verb knowledge becomes strong, your sentence start flowing naturally. And the best part, modal verbs never change their form. They stay the same with every subject, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. There is no change with the verbs, okay? That's why I always tell my learners, strong modal verbs is equal to strong English speaking. Now that you know your level, you have the material and you understand modal verbs, you are ready for the next step. Before that, please like the video and subscribe if you haven't till now. Now, let's talk about the point number 4. So, the point number 4 is give yourself the right environment. Now, listen guys, after knowing your level and grabbing the right material, the next step is to put yourself in the right English environment. And no, this does not mean that must live in a foreign country or surrounded yourself with English speaking people. Not at all. What you need to do is creating the right environment simply means you choose what enters your ears, your eyes, and your mind every day. If you see Hindi content all day, listen to Hindi songs, watch Hindi reels, and talk in Hindi, then your mind will naturally think in Hindi. But if you want English to come out of your mouth easily, then English must go inside your mind daily. This is the environment you need to create. So start doing these things. Watch at least one English video daily on a topic you like. Listen to English conversations, podcast, or simple short clips. When you think you are alone, think in English. Think in simple English, basic English sentences. Okay, when you get ready, whenever you are eating food, walk somewhere, talk to yourself in English. Give instructions to your mind that you are doing this. If you are walking, you can say, I'm walking. So surround yourself with English words, English captions, English notifications. Slowly your brain starts adjusting. Your mind begins to think, understand and respond it in English automatically, because that is the environment you are giving it, right? Now, one thing you need to remember, your environment shapes your fluency. What you hear daily becomes what you speak daily. And that's why the right environment is a game changer, guys. Now, after this, the next point is going to be even more powerful. Yes, I'm talking about the fifth point. The fifth point is really important. That is, speak out loud, not in your mind. And this is the most important step. Most learners understand English, they know vocabulary, they know grammar, but they do not speak out loud. They speak inside their mind, and that is why their tongue never gets trained. So remember this, fluency is not in your mind, fluency is on your tongue. Your mouth needs practice, not just your mind. So here what you need to do, I am going to share another 5 points. The first one is speak what you think. Okay, whatever comes to your mind, say it out loud, whether it's wrong, it's correct, whatever. For example, I'm getting ready, I will eat now, and I should finish my work, I'm recording my video. Okay, so like this, you can just narrate everything, whatever you are doing. These small loud sentences train your mouth. Okay, number 2, read out loud whatever you are reading. Okay, don't just read silently, because I have seen many people, they just read simply in silent, but you don't do this. Okay, when you read silently, only your eyes work, but when you read out loud, your tongue, mouth and voice all get trained, right? So guys, try reading a paragraph, try reading a short story, try reading a newspaper, but in a loud voice. Okay, if you are watching a video, if the subtitle is there, okay, in front of you, you need to speak little louder. If there is any English text, you need to read it out loud. Okay, slowly and clearly. Okay, don't shout. I'm not saying you just shout. Okay, the next thing is describe everything around you. Like, look around your room and speak. This is my table, this is my camera, this is my laptop, these are the flowers. Okay, the curtain is behind me and I'm sitting on a chair. Okay, the fan is running. Right now the fan is not running. The bag is on the chair. So describe real things. It builds real fluency. And the most necessary thing which I used a lot is mirror method. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. Introduce yourself for a 5 second, for a 10 second, for a 20 second. Tell your day, your plan, express your feelings. Like if you are standing in front of the mirror and you are washing your hands, or you are just splashing the water on your face, you speak it. Whatever you are doing. So when you see yourself speaking, your confidence grows instantly. And yes, don't wait for a partner, because many people are waiting for a partner. So if you wait for a partner, you will never start. You are your best speaking partner. Your room, your mirror and daily routine are enough to practice. Okay, you have a lot of content to do the practice alone. Okay, and the best thing, you are having a phone, you are having a recorder. So speaking is a physical skill. Your tongue gets better only when you use it. And after these 5 points, you have everything you need to improve your English. In the next part, I will tell you how to apply all these points, when to do them, and how much time you should give to each steps. And yes, don't forget to watch my 30 days spoken English course. Okay, all 30 videos are already uploaded on the channel, and each video teaches one important skill, from tense to vocabulary, in a very simple and practical way. So even if you don't know English at all, I guarantee that after watching day 1, you will start framing sentences immediately. I guarantee you. So go to the playlist or the courses section on my channel and watch the full 30 days series. You can watch one video every day or finish all of them in 5 days or 10 days. It depends on your time and comfort. But make sure you complete the course. Okay? Alright, you complete the course. Don't leave it in between, or don't leave it after watching day 1 or day 2 video. I'm not saying for me, I'm just telling to you. So friends, these were the main points you need to understand before you start your real English improvement journey. In the next video, part 2, I will tell you exactly how to apply these points in your daily life. When to practice, how much time to give, how to use the material you collect, and how to train your tongue to speak naturally. So make sure you don't miss part 2. That will upload after 2 days of this video. And before you go, don't forget to check out my 30 days spoken English course on the channel. Even if you are a complete beginner, after day 1 you will start framing sentences, and I guarantee that I have already told you. So go to the playlist or the course section and start your 30 days journey from today onwards. So if you found this video helpful, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comment which point was most helpful for you today. I'm waiting for your comments. Alright, I'll see you in part 2. Till then, keep learning, keep speaking. Alright, so this is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence. All the best.